I'm using beef brisket. For the marinade, you need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Knorr liquid seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and mix it all together. Lastly, you can add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. If you don't have any, that's okay. You can use the white one. Continue mixing until it's properly mixed up all together. And then refrigerate for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Let's begin. We already preheat the pan. Add some oil. Saute the garlic until it turns slightly brown. Now let's add the marinated beef brisket. Continue stirring it so that the garlic won't burn. Let's cook this side for 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, don't overcook it. Now let's add the butter. Stir it well. Once the butter is completely dissolved, add the remaining garlic that we have earlier because we haven't used it all. Continue stirring for a minute or 2, then add the mushrooms. Now you can put the remaining sauce from the marinade. Mind you guys, I cook it a little bit more because brisket part is the least tender, not like sirloin or rib eye, but it will give you an incredible flavor once it gets softened. Then add the spring onions, continue stirring. That's it mga bagokang. That's how I make my own version of beef salpicao. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and share. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell button for more dishes to come. Peace out. Keep safe everyone.